I know you probably all remember my propagated snake plant, the one that I used just one tall sword to propagate. And I thought maybe it would be nice to put in an update. It has worked. As you can see, I've got 2 pups coming up for the side. And as I had said in a previous video, they would not have that yellow stripe up the side. They just revert to the regular. And you can see them coming up. This morning, what prompted this video, there is another one. Let me see if I can focus. Yeah, right here in the middle is another one coming up. At this point in time, with my first regular blade, I've got 2 decent sized ones and a new tiny one growing up in the same dish. Let me see. I don't think I see any more. Let me kind of give it a turn. No, I can't see any more, just those. But the 2 sports over here are growing pretty good. They are just about, I don't know, maybe one 5 inches, one 6, 7 inches. But they're doing really good. It's gotten very, very dry. Real dry. If I poke my finger in there, very, very dry. So I think it's safe to water them. I will get them watered deeply so that the roots will try to go deeply down into this pot. You see the pot I've got it in. So I'll do that, and good luck. Now if you wanted to know how the other one is, here's the other. Let me do an examination. I haven't noticed any growth on these. Not anything at all. And they were all rooted at the same time. But they've not rotted. They're still here. So I'll keep them here, and maybe by springtime I'll have some new growth. But that's the update on my snake plant propagation. Really proud of this guy. 2 healthy shoots and 1 brand new puppy. Thanks for joining me today. I'll attach a video that I think you might like here at the end of this one, and be sure to stick around and watch some more. Thank you for any comments or any advice you have for me.